Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing a gaming controller. This one happens to be the Claw Shoot. It is a Bluetooth wireless controller which can be used with mobiles as well as PC. On the left-hand side or the right-hand side, you have some imagery about the product. The top has the manufacturer's contact information as well as pricing. On the bottom, you have some features being stated. The connectivity is via Bluetooth. Then the range happens to be 10 meters. You can map your button for different Android mobiles as well as tablets. There is a 400 mAh rechargeable battery that's built into the device. On the rear side of the packaging, you have some key features. This thing uses Bluetooth for Android and 2.4 GHz for Windows devices. By the way, Bluetooth also operates on the same frequency range. We've got button mapping feature. This is a detachable mobile holder which supports 4 to 7-inch phones. The charging time, that's about 2 hours, and you get 10 hours of playtime for that. The weight is 211.5 grams. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. First, you have the user manual. This will give you a good idea of how to use the device with Android as well as PC and how you switch between the two. Then there's also the button mapping for different form factors, whether you're using X input or something else. And there's a little QR code on the back for downloading the app for your Android devices. Then you have a charging cable. This thing uses a micro USB interface, and the cable is about 60 centimeters long. Then you have a little dongle. This is a 2.4 gigahertz dongle that you'd use for connecting this controller with a PC. Then you have the accessory, which is a mobile holder. So this part goes on to the center of the controller, and this is where you keep the phone. You can accommodate different sized phones. And lastly, you have the Claw Shoot controller. You can see that this has a button mapping, or rather a button arrangement that's very similar to what the Xbox controllers have, except for the audio jack interfaces on the bottom. You have the micro USB interface on the top, trigger buttons on either side, and the shoulder buttons on the top, 2 analog sticks, one set of buttons over here, the X, Y, A, B, and then you have the D-pad over here. The buttons for home, switching between PC and Android, followed by the start and back. The grips are rubberized. You can see the texture over here. And the battery is inbuilt, so you don't need to swap it out. And that's it for the unboxing of the Claw Shoot Bluetooth wireless controller for mobile and PC. Thank you for watching.